Here's how to get paid $100 per hour working from home, literally in your pajama pants with just your computer. To make sure nothing goes wrong, I'll be giving you guys a step-by-step tutorial, so make sure you watch the whole video. Also, if you enjoy this content, leave me a like. Now, let's make some money. Step 1, find a website that's gonna pay us. Look up weworkremotely.com. This is also the website where Google and Amazon look for new workers. Now scroll through some jobs and find one that you're qualified for, but also pays pretty good. For example, freelance writer. All you have to do as a freelance writer is create articles and blog posts for a variety of topics. And this is pretty much every topic you can think of: sports, fashion, finance, legal stuff, whatever you want. As far as the payment, you'll be making $20 per 100 words you write, which comes out to about $100 per article. Pretty much no requirements needed for this one. All you need is to use Microsoft Word, have a good internet connection, be a good communicator, and work well with the rest of the team. If you're interested, hit apply for this position, and don't be too worried about getting rejected. There's about 100 more of the same exact offers on this website. Now save this video and good luck making money, because